Here's an update on the Vevor 30 liter. That's what it looks like inside. Replacing this guy. They gave me a new one. Those wires, they don't look very thick for how much current this thing pulls, but hey, I didn't design it. We'll get a ground. It goes on that screw right there. We got another power cord. I already threw the other way, the other I already threw away the other power cord that was melted on the end. You can see she's melted in there, so it's hard to get the power cord out. And she's a little toasty right there too. So no bueno. Shipped straight from China, man. Straight from China. I don't know if this is a return label or what, but I'll go ahead and not worry about that. Let's see if this thing works, man. Let me put this back together. Small update. If you want this thing to go in there right, the plug has to be on the bottom, not on the top. Okay. All right, we got her all buttoned up. You got to make sure you don't pinch one of the wires here in that corner. I had the black wire laying there and didn't seal right, so we'll get her buttoned up now. Let's take a minute to talk about this bad man pajama right here, made by Vevor. The old ball grip. This thing is tits, bud. If you do a bunch of small screws and shit like this, you can use it manually or like that. And it charges USB right here. I don't know if the new ones are USB-C or not, but I've had this one for a minute. Keeping the old tool pouch. All right, let's see if this thing works. So hopefully this works out, because I buy a fair amount of stuff from Vevor, like this 30 liter and that 15 liter and that diesel heater and this engine stand and that engine stand, and there's a sweeper over there, and then there's a heater over there. So I've had pretty decent luck. That heater over there, I still need to replace the control switch on it because it didn't work when I got it. They sent me one. I haven't had time to dick with it. So, the moment of truth. Oh my word. Let's put some water in there. And make sure the drain's closed. Heat the shit up. See if this works. Yep, this. Yep, this. Yep. See if it heats up some water, man. And we can clean some shit maybe. Sucks it's so damn cold here. Still might be 40 degrees outside right now, but might move to Florida. What do you think? Is Florida nice? So just for reference, we're set on 76 degrees Celsius, and it is 4 degrees Celsius in there right now. So I wasn't going to stay down here and clean shit, but it's New Year's Eve. I really don't have other shit to do. I don't think we're going anywhere this year, and gotta put some work in, man. So we're gonna clean this thing up. We need more water. Ooh, we could probably put that one in the basket. Finally, something that fits with the basket. Let me know if you've used this stuff. Totally awesome. I'm going from the dollar store, man. Let's put some in there. It's supposed to be all-purpose, concentrated cleaner, degreaser, spot remover. Guess we'll see if it works any good. Put the top on. Try to keep some heat in there. We made it to 5 degrees Celsius. So while I wait for this thing to cook, I guess I'll put this thing together. So I've got a place to put that Y block when I take it out, and I can go up and write this guy an email about his generator. So, all right, I'm not gonna leave you guys on the hook. So be good. This thing's probably gonna end up working out, so that's nice. I'll let you know if it goes up to smoke. Probably in another video. All right then, bye.